I'm super excited to be here at Hyatt Waterfront Restaurant to try their Breakfast Plus for the very first time. Come, let's try it together.
Hi, welcome. Nice to have you to
Thank
Breakfast
you.
Plus today. How are
Beautiful.
you today?
I am lovely, thank you.
I love that. That is beautiful. My favorite color is yellow. Don't tell anyone. All right, so on our Breakfast Plus, let me just guide you. So we have some hot items, 3 hot items.
Okay.
Come this way. We have like roast bake here.
Oh, lovely. Some of our favorites.
Pumpkin choker, some real local items. Scrambled eggs if you're feeling to have some eggs.
Beautiful.
All right, fried fish, one of
I
my
love that
favorites.
there are some options.
Yes, yes. Singapore noodles. I'm feeling to join you for breakfast. Some chunky vegetables.
Beautiful. That's some
And
nice,
some
nice options
Chinese
thus
fried
far.
chicken.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. And one of my favorites is actually the waffles here. They actually make
And
it
it's freshly
fresh.
made here.
Yes.
And you can
Freshly
choose all
made,
your
yes.
toppings.
Oh my God. Condiments.
Nice.
All the syrup, the sprinkles, the
Okay,
everything.
perfect. So
Right?
it's a nice little light station.
Yes.
Awesome.
So on this side, we have all our juices here.
Beautiful.
We also have our infused water here. Let's go by the desserts first, and then my favorite. We have ice cream, butter toffee, and then we also have our desserts, which is made in house.
Sorrel biscuits.
Yes.
What a
Yes.
unique,
We try to be
unique
very
offering.
creative as possible.
I love that. Punch a creme tart. Okay, it does feel like Christmas in July.
Yes, yes. All right, and we have our peanut butter jam,
Okay.
our assorted breads, cream cheese as
lovely.
well.
And I do see that you have a gluten-free option as
Yes,
well.
yes,
Okay,
we
beautiful.
do. Yes, we do.
Okay.
What I'll tell you on this side here, we have all our assorted yogurts, fruits,
Okay.
cereals, and assorted nuts and compote to go with it as well.
The healthy, and in case you wish to
Yes, just to kind of spoil yourself.
splurge, if
yes,
you will.
splurge.
Okay.
All right, come on this side. Let me show you
Oh,
some
there's
more
more.
things. Yeah, lots more. I showed you my favorite side. Now we're going to the side here. All right, so we have fruits. Now we try to stay as local as possible. We have mangoes.
That's great. And when they're in season, you might
Yes,
as well have that.
yes. So we try to get things that are in season. Then we have our cold cuts here. One of the guest favorites is our smoked salmon as well. All right, we have all the corn, all this. This is the salad section here.
Okay. How
So-
often do you have Breakfast Plus?
Every Saturday.
Every Saturday.
Every
Good to know.
Saturday.
Every Saturday.
All right, every Saturday, you just, sometimes you go out on a Friday night.
And you don't want to get up and do
yeah,
anything
you don't want
the
to get
next
up
morning.
and you're like, oh my God, I missed breakfast. No, we did it
So
just
Hyatt
for you.
has it covered
Yes,
here.
Hyatt has
I
it
like
covered.
that. I like
All right,
that.
so you come at 11:30 and we got you. We got you
Okay,
covered.
so the Breakfast Plus starts at 11:30
Yes,
on a Saturday.
yes.
Until what time does it go
Here
to?
around 2.
2 p.m.
Right, and
Beautiful.
just to let you know as well, let's say you're still eating, you could relax and enjoy. That doesn't mean we will close it up and say, no, you need to go. No, you relax and enjoy.
And you have a beautiful, gorgeous
Yes,
view. So
fantastic
definitely
view.
soak it in, right?
Yes,
Beautiful. How about coffees and teas?
Coffees and tea, yes.
Those are also included.
And the lattes and stuff, if you want the juices.
specialty
and,
coffees.
Yes.
That's always a plus.
All right, so we have all that just for you. And
Beautiful.
even though, let's say we have some people, who drink almond milk or the
You
full
can-
cream, we have that as well.
So you have the
Yeah.
options for those with different
Yes,
dietary preferences.
Yes, correct.
All right.
All right, so you want me to go and sit you now?
Yes, and time to grab a plate.
All right, come this way.
All right, so I'm with Chef Mackenzie, and he's going to make me an omelette. And I'm going to give him the instruction of surprise me. I love vegetables, so do anything with that.
Okay.
Right?
Despite loving vegetables, would you like to have any meat added to it?
No meat today.
Just vegetables.
Yes.
No problem. Any cheese? Yeah?
Cheese? Sure.
Mushrooms. We have some onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, a little garlic, some spicy flakes. this is your lovely vegetable omelette.
Thank you so much, Chef. This looks
You're welcome.
great. So with my omelet, I'm just going to add a couple more items. So I do want to try this smoked salmon. It's one of my favorites. I'm just going to try a little bit. And then there's like some other meats and cheeses, but I will put some olives. And there is this salad selection, but I think I might be okay. I will just grab some cream cheese, and this will be my first testing. Trying the omelette now. So it's a cheese and vegetable omelette that Chef Mackenzie made fresh and live. Vegetables are still crunchy, thumbs up. Nice and flavorful, light. We'll try some cream cheese with the smoked salmon. With some olives. Smoked salmon is fresh, it's good. Okay, so I'm on to the smoothie station now, and I see here that they have 3 varieties today. So pineapple and ginger blast, green smoothie, and fruit fusion. After that egg, I know I should probably go with the egg smoothie, but I think I'm gonna go with fruit fusion. So can you prepare that for me?
No problem.
Okay, beautiful. So quiet. And then it kicks up in gear, huh? There we go. Smoothie in action. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Hope you enjoy.
Fruit fusion smoothie. Very fruity, a lot of ginger. Very nice and refreshing. All right, so we're back on the buffet line, and I'm gonna try some local favorites. So we have roast beef, definitely, and these like just came out. So I'm gonna get myself a little piece of roast beef because we're trying everything. Have to get some choker. It's pumpkin choker, and I believe that they will change it out each week too. So you might get a different choker the next time that you come. Nice little pumpkin choker. They have scrambled eggs, but I've had that. I had the omelette, so I'm gonna skip on that for now. Definitely some fried fish. I'm looking like chunky fish. Nice. One more for good measure. All right, we have some noodles, chunky veg, and some Chinese style chicken. I have to come back to that. So we have some sauces I'm gonna add to this. Definitely some pepper sauce. I love spicy, so I'm gonna be a little heavy. Some tamarind sauce. Definitely, that'll be a great touch with the fish. There's ketchup as well, but I think I'm gonna pass on that. So I'm gonna give this a try. I'm going in for the fried fish first. Pepper sauce. Pepper sauce is hot. It's nice. It's flavorful. Little tamarind, little pepper. Ooh. Look at this seasoning in this tamarind sauce. Look at that. That is some flavorful tamarind sauce. That is yum. All right, trying this bake. Trying a little piece. We'll try it with the pumpkin choker and pepper. Ooh. This pepper sauce is where it's at. This pepper sauce. So note to self, I will need Hyatt to bottle this pepper sauce. To go. I had the pepper sauce once at some other function. Bread and pepper sauce. It's good. Real flavorful. All right, so as part of some of their buffet menu like offerings, they do have some stir fry available today. However, chef has graciously agreed to kind of do a little bit of a vegetable stir fry for me today. So we're gonna have chef go ahead and prepare some for us live.
All right? So follow me and we'll start the journey. All right, so with stir fry, it's very quick, fast, and hot. So I have my wok heating my oil, and I'm dropping some green beans and broccoli, my blanching water, because I want it to stay bright. All right? Garlic and ginger. So with Asian cooking, it's a staple. And veggies. Right? And a little water from the blanching pot will helps cook off everything else. Salt, black pepper, and one quick trick with vegetables, a little touch of sugar helps bring out the flavor. And you can't do stir fry, it's a little sesame oil. See, and your broccoli is bright, green beans bright, variation of colors. Stir fry.
All right, chef, so what do we have here?
So we have a little variation of the stir fry veg we have on the buffet line.
Awesome.
So this one has pak choy, kale, broccoli, green beans, and carrots in this one.
Ooh, all these colors, I love it. Thank you. This looks amazing. Veggies. So I have my stir fry vegetables, which look amazing. But I did want to kind of top it up a bit. Chunky veg, but Chinese style chicken. So I'm going to take a piece of this one. Just a little bit. And hopefully you know me by now. What am I going to do? I'm going to add pepper sauce. Trying the veggies first. Small piece, but no broccoli and carrot. It's charred. I like charred vegetables. Pepper sauce. You know what? Being at a breakfast plus, we're gonna eat all different types of foods. Ensuring to eat these veggies kind of, eases up my mind the fact that I just ate a lot of food and I still have dessert to go. Well, pepper. We're actually going to try some waffles. So chef is actually going to prepare them live in front for us. So I'm already struggling. So what toppings I want to use? I'm like, do I go berry whipped cream or do chocolate chip? But there's also maple syrup. I think I'm I might go traditional and just do it with maple syrup, just so I can try the whole flavors because I still got a whole line of dessert to go try out too. Okay, so chef mentioned that it takes about 1.5 to 2 minutes for the waffle to be ready. So in the meantime, I'm gonna head to the dessert section to see what I can grab there. The first thing I see is butter toffee ice cream, and I'm like, that will go perfect with the waffle. So I may wait to get the waffle and I could probably put that on top of it. We got carrot cake Danish, chocolate chip eggless muffin, nice. There is this sorrel biscuit that I've had my eyes on since we entered, so I am gonna get a small sorrel biscuit. Punch of creme tart, chocolate peppermint cupcake. Ooh, golden brown, nice. Oh my gosh, you smell? 2 pieces is perfect, chef. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, so with my waffles, I have 2 pieces. I'm gonna save one for the ice cream, but I am going to put maple syrup on the other one. So. Now to wrap up a meal, you have to have dessert. But I need to have my dessert with some coffee. So I'm just going to put a splash of milk. And then with my dessert, I have to attack this ice cream first. It's butter toffee, so I'm going to go for this first. I'm going to try to get some of the waffle. Oh my gosh. Ice cream is real good. It's very creamy. Very creamy. I'm going to try the waffle with the maple syrup. I'm going to use a knife and fork for this one. A simple classic. This sorrel biscuit has me real intrigued. Really intrigued. I'm not sure it's going to be more savory or sweet because it's out of like a real biscuit, right? So if I break into it like this, it looks a little bit cakey, or cake-like I should say. Colored pink and purple. It is like a biscuit, but it's not super sweet. It's not sweet. I think it's a nice touch. It's not sweet. It's mild. It's chocolate and peppermint cupcake. It's very rich. A lot of peppermint. If you like peppermint, you would love this. It's very rich in chocolate, but that peppermint is strong. And the peppermint is also, I believe, in the mousse. So I think you will get all of it. Okay, so we're about wrapping up from my first experience here at Hyatt with their Breakfast Plus. Definitely some amazing offerings from cold to hot, and that cold breakfast section, the chef makes your omelette fresh. You have the opportunity to have lunch-like items too. So I really enjoyed that. There were a few like options for vegan, for gluten-free, for dairy-free. So I appreciate that. Definitely some worthwhile options. Their desserts, their waffles is probably my highlight. The waffles with the ice cream was my highlight. Definitely after that was the eggs. And I have to touch on the smoothie. The smoothie was so fresh as well as refreshing. So I definitely enjoyed my first experience here. I do hope that you give them a shot as well. And tell us what you think. I wasn't sure if you're doing a video. So.
I was actually doing a video.
Video? It's okay. So you're like, why is she taking so long to select it? Okay, I'll try it again.